Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give the video a thumbs up. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to copy out your Instagram link from your Instagram. Okay, this video, I used to do this kind of video once in a while on my channel. So we are starting by using these two apps, your browser and your Instagram app. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to go into your Instagram app. So click on that circle, then next, okay, this is my Instagram, this is my Instagram page. My Instagram is still a baby Instagram. Okay, you can follow me on my Instagram. Okay, then click on the edit profile, then the next thing, click on the username. Okay, you see your username, click on it, then copy the username. Please guys, follow me on my Instagram at chinichinko1491. Then when you copy the username, you go to your browser. Make sure you have signed in your Instagram on your browser. If you have not signed in, you have to sign in. So after signing in your own Instagram account on your browser, open a fresh page. Then when you open a fresh page, write www.instagram.com/ your username. Paste your username, www.instagram.com/ your username. Then when you paste it, you now click search. When you click search, it will now direct you to your Instagram page, Instagram account. Then when you direct it to your Instagram account, there is a link on top of that Instagram. Copy it. That is your Instagram link. So you can see on my browser, I have not logged in my Instagram through my browser. So if you haven't logged in your Instagram through your browser, this is how your browser will look like. Okay, so when you paste that link and press search, and on top of it is this link here that you're going to copy. Immediately you see your Instagram page, copy the link on top. Okay, the second method is, go to your Instagram page. If you have more than one Instagram, you can do this by yourself. But if you don't have more than one Instagram, you can ask a follower, someone who is following you on your Instagram, to help you to copy the Instagram link. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Log into your other Instagram page, then type the Instagram that you want to copy the link on the page. Like I want to copy the link of Chinichinko 1491. Then I write the name, I search for it, then I go into that Instagram page. There is 3 dots by the side. This is the page, this is my Instagram that I want to copy the link. I have up to 3 Instagrams, but this is the one I'm looking for the link. So I click on here, the 3 dots. Okay, if you're sending someone, this is where the person need to click. Then when you click that place, you see this copy profile URL. Then click on this copy profile URL. So immediately you copy it, you will see this green color will appear that shows that you have copied it. So I want to see if this link is correct, is my Instagram link. Then I go through my WhatsApp. I go to my WhatsApp, because when you paste link on WhatsApp, it send you directly to the app that has the link. So this is what I want to do to make sure that this link is correct. So I have to delete from under. I have to clear. If you like, don't clear, but I think this one is okay. I have to clear from the under 8. I'll stop at that question mark. I have to delete that question mark and stop where my name stops. Okay, just delete and stop where your name ends. Where your name ends, you stop. Don't delete your name. Then I send this to my WhatsApp. This is my business WhatsApp. Okay, so when I send it to my business WhatsApp, I click on the link to make sure that it will direct me to my Instagram page. You can see right now that I click on the link, it directed me to my Instagram page. So let's try it again. I'm going back to WhatsApp. So I went back to WhatsApp again. I click on the link again to make sure it's correct. It sent me back to my Instagram account. So we have done the practice, and you see that this is correct. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this video, and I hope you understand everything I said on how you can copy out your Instagram link. And by now, if you're a content creator, I hope you can copy out the Instagram link, and you can also use it on your YouTube. under your YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to join the family, and also give the video a huge thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much, and see you guys next time on my next video. I love you all. Bye.